I hate it here!
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of working at Starbucks. This is where we work. It's just us working today. This is Gio. He's the guy who takes all our photos. Hey. And then, yeah, Jamie doesn't work here anymore, but she's a freak and she doesn't want us to get rid of this, so there she is, but whatever. Jamie? There's me. I hate this photo. There's Gio. I'll be showing you guys what I do and what it's like to work at Starbucks. Don't know if I'm allowed to do this, but I don't really care. So right now I'm about to make whipped cream, so let's go do that. So this is marshmallow whipped cream for s'mores wraps, and this is going to be regular whipped cream. We use marshmallow syrup in there, and then vanilla syrup in there, and then just heavy cream. This is what happens when you leave this thing down. Look at it.
We all make mistakes.
It's his fault.
Because I'm a man?
Yeah, it's only because he's a man. This is what I will be making really quickly for Jaden. They put in a mobile order, so let's do it. Into the blender. And this is what happens when we work together. I'm about to do dishes, so I just thought you guys would want to see that. So there we are.
This is where a woman belongs.
This is where we women belong. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Ah, pranked you. You guys thought I was.
You're so stupid.
I'm being serious. I don't believe in that shit. Women belong wherever they want to go. You guys just got pranked. This is a prank channel. Okay, let's do the dishes. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm literally stupid.
My Q level make you feel inferior.
Oh my god, look at my glasses. Look at my glasses. Ah, this looks so funny. Look at them. This is what happens every time I open the washer.
You look like a mosquito.
Not a mosquito.
Pest.
I'm going to be taking apart the espresso machine because it needs to be cleaned and we close in an hour, so that's when we turn off one of them. So I'll show you guys how I take it apart. Yum! Little tablets in them and it cleans the machine. So you just put them in. Sunday. Every Sunday here we deep clean the entire store. So that is what Gio and I are doing. We stay like an extra 3.5 hours and we just clean. So that's what we're doing.
So she's wearing skinny jeans, which apparently she says she doesn't do too often.
Yeah, I asked him if he noticed and he didn't, so.
And apparently, as like she says, all men are trash.
Period. Period. All men are trash.
Let me do my impression of Saba. Hey guys. Period.
I hate you.
Period.
I hate men. Okay.
I hate men, period.
And what about it?
Stop.
Gonna clean the bathroom. If you guys use public bathrooms, please be nice. Please don't leave your garbage and like stuff everywhere, because like that's like not cute. Someone took like the toilet paper like out of this, but like there's no way to take it out unless you have a key, clearly, but someone did it anyway, so don't do that. This is me. This is the look, the cleaning look. Got my AirPods in because I've been listening to music. But let's start sweeping the entire store.
Because crack kills.
Crack kills, bro.
She's so annoying.
So here we have Mr. Gio putting the tea bags into the tea pitchers for the opening, folks, tomorrow morning. We don't have white tea anymore. She's discontinued, so adios, Miss White Tea. That's iced coffee. So we are basically done our clean play, which, like I said, is just when we deep clean the store every week. I think we did an excellent job. Thank you for watching this day in the life of a Starbucks employee. I hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe. All of our Instagrams will be down below, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye. Say bye, say bye, say bye.
Bye.
With your hand, wave.